Today, we're diving deep into the reasons some fruits shouldn't be eaten together. We'll explore the science behind it and provide detailed advice to help you avoid common mistakes so your body feels strong and full of energy. Are you ready to change the way you eat fruit? Let's get started. First, let's understand the combination of acidic and sweet fruits. What are acidic fruits? These are fruits high in citric acid, like oranges, lemons, pineapple, strawberries, grapefruit, or blueberries. They have a distinct sour taste, are rich in vitamin C to boost immunity, support collagen production for healthy skin, and even lift your mood by stimulating digestive enzymes. In contrast, sweet fruits such as ripe bananas, apples, peaches, pears, or pomegranates are rich in natural fructose and fiber, providing sustained energy and supporting gut health. So why shouldn't you eat them together? When mixed, the acid from the acidic fruits slows down the digestion of fructose in the sweet fruits, leading to fermentation in the stomach. The result is the body producing excess acid, causing bloating, nausea, headaches, or even diarrhea in those with sensitive stomachs. A study from the American Nutrition Association indicates that this pH imbalance not only causes discomfort, but also reduces the ability to absorb nutrients by up to 30%. For example, a strawberry and banana smoothie might sound delicious, but it can leave you feeling heavy instead of refreshed. What's the way to avoid this? Eat the acidic fruits first, wait about 30 to 45 minutes, and then eat the sweet fruits. For example, start your morning with a grapefruit to stimulate digestion, and then have an apple later in the day. Have you ever mixed strawberries with bananas and felt unwell? Share your experience in the comments so we can discuss it. For practice, try separating acidic and sweet fruits for 3 days and note how your body feels. You'll be surprised by the difference. Next, let's talk about mixing high-protein and high-starch fruits. What are high-protein fruits? These are fruits like guava, avocados, or even broccoli, often used in smoothies, which contain enzymes and amino acids that help build muscle, repair cells, and boost metabolism. Meanwhile, high-starch fruits, or foods such as green bananas, corn, potatoes, or chestnuts, provide complex carbohydrates that offer long-lasting energy, perfect for a busy day. The problem is, our digestive systems use different enzymes, amylase for digesting starch and protease for digesting protein. When eaten together, these two processes compete, causing food to stay in the stomach longer, leading to gas buildup, bloating, or feeling tired. According to a nutrition expert, this conflict can strain the gut microbiome, reducing digestive efficiency by up to 20%. For instance, if you make a salad mixing guava with green bananas, you might feel heavy or have indigestion for hours. The solution is to eat these two types in separate meals. For example, have avocado in the morning to start your day and save green bananas or corn for your afternoon snack. A specific practice: plan your daily meals, allocating protein in the morning, like guava or avocado, and starch in the afternoon, like green bananas. A challenge for you: over the next 5 days, try separating these two types and observe your body. Do you feel lighter? Share your results in the comments and tag a friend to try it with you. Next, we come to a special group of fruits: watermelon, cantaloupe, and cucumber. These fruits are about 90% water, rich in potassium, vitamin A, and antioxidants. They help keep the body hydrated, support kidney function, and even reduce stress with their naturally cooling sensation. But why should melons be eaten alone? Because they digest very quickly, in just 20 to 30 minutes, compared to 45 minutes to 2 hours for other fruits. When mixed with other fruits, melons get stuck in the stomach, causing fermentation and increasing acidity, leading to bloating, stomach pain, or even diarrhea. Experts from an American university state that eating melons with other fruits can reduce the efficiency of water and nutrient absorption by up to 40%. For example, if you make a juice mixing watermelon with apples, your body won't be able to fully utilize the benefits of either. The solution is to eat melons as a standalone snack, leaving at least a 1-hour gap from other meals. Try a few slices of cantaloupe in the evening after your main meal has digested. To make it easy to practice, add melon to your menu as a standalone dessert instead of mixing it into a smoothie or salad. How do you eat melons? Do you usually mix them with other fruits? Share your habits in the comments and try a change this week to feel the difference. Next, let's talk about a common but easily made mistake: mixing fruits and vegetables. Fruits like oranges, apples, or pineapple digest quickly in the small intestine with their fructose, while vegetables like carrots, beets, or sweet potatoes are rich in cellulose fiber, requiring more time in the stomach with different enzymes. When mixed, the fruits are held for too long, causing fermentation and increasing acidity, leading to acid reflux, bloating, or indigestion. For example, a carrot and orange smoothie might cause discomfort, especially for those with sensitive stomachs. Research from the American Nutrition Institute shows that this mix increases the risk of acid reflux by 25% in those with weak digestive systems. To avoid this, make vegetable salads and fruit smoothies separately. If you want to mix them, choose leafy greens like spinach or lettuce with a neutral fruit like an apple, as they digest at a similar rate. A specific practice: plan your breakfast with a fruit smoothie and your lunch with a vegetable salad. For example, in the morning, have an apple and spinach smoothie. For lunch, have a carrot salad with olive oil. Have you ever felt unwell when mixing fruits and vegetables? Share your experience in the comments and try separating these two for the next 3 days. You'll feel lighter. To help you remember and apply these rules easily, here's the main principle. The sweet fruit group that is non-acidic, such as grapes, ripe bananas, papaya, dried pears, or raisins, should be eaten together because they digest slowly, about 1 hour, and have a neutral pH, so they don't cause conflict. The acidic fruit group, like blueberries, cherries, lemons, grapefruit, oranges, pineapple, or tomatoes, are also good to eat together because their similar acids help them digest quickly. To make it easy to practice, jot down these groups on your phone or stick them on your fridge. For example, make a platter of acidic fruits like pineapple and blueberries for the afternoon, and a platter of sweet fruits like bananas and grapes for the morning. Which group will you start with? Share in the comments and tag a friend to do this challenge together. Now, let's see how to apply these rules in daily life to not only avoid discomfort, but also to boost health. First, understand that proper fruit combining not only prevents digestive problems, but also helps your body absorb the maximum amount of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. For example, when you eat acidic fruits separately, vitamin C is better absorbed, which helps increase collagen production, improving skin and immunity. Similarly, sweet fruits provide sustained energy, perfect for a long workday. To begin, create a habit of checking before you eat. Before making a smoothie or salad, ask yourself, which group is this fruit in? Should it be mixed? A practical method is to prepare fruit boxes by group. One box for acidic fruits like oranges, pineapple, one for sweet fruits like bananas, apples, and a separate box for melons. Each day, choose one group to eat and leave at least a 1-hour gap. You can try planning the next 7 days. Each day, choose a fruit or fruit group and note how your body feels. How often do you eat fruit? What's your favorite kind of fruit? Share in the comments so we can discover together. Another crucial aspect is to understand the long-term effects of improper fruit mixing. According to nutrition experts, consistently mixing incompatible fruits can strain the digestive system, leading to issues such as irritable bowel syndrome or nutrient deficiencies due to poor absorption. For example, if you frequently mix watermelon with apples, your body might not get enough potassium from the melon or fiber from the apple, reducing the health benefits. On the other hand, when you eat correctly, you not only feel lighter, but also improve your energy, sleep, and even mood. To apply this long term, create a mindful fruit eating lifestyle. Choose seasonal fruits for freshness, buy in moderate amounts to avoid waste, and opt for organic fruits if you can. You might try going to a weekend market, picking some sweet, juicy pineapple from Florida or a watery melon from California, and then planning to eat them by group. A challenge for you. This week, try buying 3 types of fruit from different groups: acidic, sweet, melon. Eat them the right way and share how you feel in the comments. How has your health improved? Finally, to ensure you're not confused, remember this tip. Keep it simple. You don't need to be a nutrition expert to eat fruit correctly. Just remember the 3 rules. 1. Eat acidic and sweet fruits separately. 2. Separate high protein and high starch fruits. 3. Let melons be the solo star. To practice, start with small changes. Instead of making a mixed smoothie, try a single ingredient one, like an orange smoothie or a banana smoothie. If you like salads, make a fruit-only salad or a vegetable-only salad. A fun tip is to try new recipes. For example, a blueberry salad with lemon for a refreshing afternoon snack, or a banana and grape bowl for an energizing breakfast. Do you have a fruit recipe you'd like to share? Comment below so I and other viewers can try it. And if you want to elevate the experience, try mixing fruits with nuts or unsweetened yogurt. But remember to check the group first. These rules not only help you avoid discomfort, but also transform fruit eating into an art, helping your body absorb maximum nutrients and feel full of energy. If you found this video helpful, give it a like to show your support. Share it with a friend who often has digestive issues. Comment to share your experiences or favorite fruit recipes. And subscribe to the channel for practical health tips from an American expert. Thanks for watching until the end.